Do you want to expand your business in the international market? Join the USBCCI Business Expo, the largest B2B trade show, conference, and networking event. Organized on the margins of the 77th session of the United Nations General Assembly, at the New York LaGuardia Airport Marriott. Grab the chance to expose your business to the mega connecting platform of new buyers, suppliers, stakeholders, and investment opportunities between the United States of America and Bangladesh. This year's theme is Export-Import Opportunity for U.S.-Bangladesh Sustainable Development. Over 200 delegates will attend the event from Bangladesh and the USA. The 3-day-long USBCCI Business Expo will host opening ceremony and U.S.-Bangladesh Legislative Forum on the first day. There will be exhibition and panel discussions on the following day. The final day will include gala night and the closing ceremony. This is your chance to communicate your services with prospective partners and global connections. Expand your ideas from top industry professionals. Discover trade and business opportunities for your company. Mark the date. Visit USBCCIBusinessExpo.com and book your seat and get registered.